to Daikoku, PA for Friday, and this is who we're rolling with. We got this chaser right here. Pretty awesome S13 right here. Slide bodied out, so we can get some field representing Texas hard. It's not bad. This thing's pretty clean, man. Another S15. Nice and clean. Maybe we'll see some other cool cars on the way and get some good rollers. So we just showed up to Daikoku. We're gonna take a look around and see what's here. Try and hopefully the lighting's good enough and we can get some cool shots. So as we look around, this 13 rolling. It's crazy how intricate the streets are here. This whole area. We'll go check out the Lawsons here in a second too, because they had some niche items for all the people that come here. Pretty cool. So as you come around, they have a little shopping area and then all the vending machines. Taking a little look around. See how long until this place gets shut down for the night. Pretty cool fountain over here, all lit up. Looks pretty sweet. That's coming over by the Lawson, which of course has a ton of drinks. You get that custom-made drink here, hot and ready, cafe style. It's like Starbucks, only better. So they have some pretty cool stuff in the store too that's kind of driver-centric. Got some steering wheels here and these little toy vending machines. You have a nice little tape deck keychain, and it's like they know their customer. S13's, initial D. Pretty cool. You get a sake bottle. Gotta have some Ultraman. BRZ and Miata. Super nice Nismo R35. And this car looks familiar. You got the pit truck, 350Z wheels in the back. This is gangster style right here. The old taxis. The Crown Comfort. Ooh, 34 Skyline. Ooh, we get revving up on us. Nissan Cube. See these wheels? Hitmando. Into Big Punch. Love the S15s. I'm partial to them, I think. Somebody misplaced their Corvette from the States. It went missing, and I don't know what happened to it. Man, that car is beautiful though. Maybe one day, we'll see. It's a nice lineup right here, all these Porsches. I'm partial to the white on white too. Maybe because of the Maxima. Give some Volkswagen love. Nice and low. Hey, get ran over. Some Evos. Super clean. Bone stock too. This FD right here. Nice. Bell side 350. Well, as it was Fair Lady Z. The guys we rolled with right here. S13 hatch. Of course the whip. We got an S15. R33. Single on there. Look out for for the Supra. Ryusuke's RX-7's here. I guess he got disbanded from the team because the Red Suns is gone. I think super nice though. That's pretty cool. Yeah, everybody hates on this car because they made it with BMW. But this car looks good. Got a bunch of S chassis over here. Whoa, look at that rear wheel. We probably ran out of spares. That's what it looks like. Another S15. This might be the same one we saw earlier. I don't remember. And the Varietta. The Volvo's pretty cool. Looks raced out. There's no cage, so maybe it's just stickers, but OZ wheels on it. It's pretty cool. This 34 right here. Gorgeous. It's got side exit exhaust. Super deep dish wheels. Like 4 inches, 5 inches in the front, maybe 7, 8 inches in the rear. It's pretty awesome. So we got here about 8 o'clock and there's quite a few cars as you can see, but it took us about an hour to walk around. But we'll see what else we can find. We're gonna hang out here for a little while and see what else rolls up. Looks like that S14. Celso right here, that VIP style. He riding dirty, ain't got no plates. I'd love to have one of these. Supra. This Chaser with some VSXXs on them. It's an interesting color choice with the Celica. T37s on the Subi. This AMG, that Monte Carlo. The light show over here. His engine's missing. Wild. Mark II, JZX 110. We have the actual 2006 Rally Monte Carlo. It's a 1-to-1 scale model. That's pretty cool. This color is gorgeous. It's about 10:30 right now, and there's all sorts of cars showing up, and pretty much every parking spot is filled right now. This is pretty awesome. This one's cool too. I'm next to a Camaro. Go back to the cool car. Sorry, 7 is awesome. For sure. Everything's beautiful. Big racing garage on the seat. That air freshener though on this bed. we got for today. We're rolling out at 10:30, about an hour and a half drive back. So go ahead and get that going. Get back home at a halfway reasonable hour. And recommend if you're coming out here to go a little bit later, 10:30, 11 o'clock-ish, to get the best kind of experience out here. But until next time.